First, you'll need to launch the Internet Explorer browser program and make sure that you land at the Google page. And inside of Google, we want to search on GeoGebra, just spelled Geogebra, and we want to use the online version of GeoGebra. So when you take that, you do get this option right here, GeoGebra Online. And I'd like you to take it. Notice it says that this is a web start. So we take that, and then it loads GeoGebra into your web page so that you can now use the tool via the web. Another way to use GeoGebra is to actually install their program on your computer, but since we can't install the program on the classroom computers, we could just use it via the web. First of all, I would like you to move the coordinate grid system, and the way you do that is you select the move tool right here, and then you could take your cursor and then just slide this around. You can move it anywhere you like. For our purposes, I would like you to put the -1x and -1y down here and make it into the corner of the screen. And then next, I would like you to turn the view option on called grid. And you notice this does give us a coordinate grid. And then finally, I'd like you to use the view tool again and turn on the spreadsheet option. And we have a small spreadsheet that inserts itself into the side of the screen. At this point, you can use the spreadsheet to enter some numbers, and I'm going to do just something very simple. Let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll stop at 6 so that this is not going to go off of the screen. And then also in the B column, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we have 1 through 6 in the A column and 1 through 6 in the B column. The next thing we want to do is to create a line from these coordinates. So the way to do it is to select all of these coordinates. Then you can right-click inside this box, and you could say Create a List of Points. Give it a few seconds to do so, and there are the points that match what we have here. A 1, 1 is right there. This is a 2, 2, and you can see it's a 2, 2, and so forth. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. The next thing we want to do is we want to fit a line to these points. The way that you could do that is to use the special line tool, and the special line tool has an option called Best Fit Line. So go ahead and take Best Fit Line, and notice it brings this up, and it tells you right here, it says select points using selection rectangle or list of points. Well, you could stretch a rectangle out on the screen and it would identify those points. Or since we have a list of points, you can just click on the list of points and it makes the line through those points for us. That's as far as this video will go, and then we'll go into the next video in terms of moving those points away from the line.